So today I got Raising Cane's, and ever since I last tried it, I have really been wanting to eat it again. So I brought this home. So I just transferred it all into a plate because I wanted to air fry it all because it kind of got cold. Anyways, I tried the sandwich hack where you open the Texas toast, put a piece of chicken in there, and then put fries too. So basically, the first bite that I got was like literally only bread, so it did not slap. It was not very good. Then I tried the fries plain, and since I air fried them, they were really crispy and actually really well seasoned. So they were good. And then the chicken was really crispy, and it could have had some more seasoning, but that's okay. Anyways, then when I finally got to the chicken on the sandwich, it was so, so good. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and the lemonade was so good too.